Welcome home to this impeccably maintained, well-built home inside the wonderful neighborhood of Pebble Creek Village. This stunning home offers a serene ambience with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, and a 3-car garage. No CDD, and low HOA. Roof was replaced in 2008, and new air conditioner. The spacious master suite is a personal getaway with a spacious shower, garden tub, dual vanities and a large walk-in closet. This professionally designed contemporary floor plan has all of the amenities, including an open space kitchen that comes fully equipped with bar-style counters, a spacious, eat-in kitchen, wood cabinets, pantry design, ample storage. This kitchen takes entertaining to a whole new level. Come home to a welcoming screened-in lanai to relax and enjoy in. This single-family residence is 2,243 square feet of living space and is where functionality meets style for everyday living. Additional highlights includes a clubhouse with many amenities including golf, and Olympic-sized pool, tennis, basketball, volleyball, 3 playgrounds, a community center, and pubs. The Pebble Creek neighborhood is close to shopping, restaurants, easy access to I-75, and is located near some of the best schools in Tampa. This home won't last long, so come and see this beautiful home before it's gone. Please submit highest and best offer.